Hello! In this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the Pepperstone broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section. You select Pepperstone's brokers. Then you click on blue option, Go to Website. You easily enter the Pepperstone website. You click on Join Now. In this section, you can register directly using your Apple ID, Google, or Facebook. Or if you want to do it manually, you can proceed through email. You click on Continue with email. Then you enter the registration section, where you enter your country, account type, first name, last name, date of birth, mobile phone number, and email address. And finally, choose a password. We recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, you accept the website's terms by checking the box and then click on Continue below. When you have entered the information, you choose whether your account will be live or demo. We choose live. In the next section, you enter your platform, whether you want a copy trading account, account type, leverage, the currency you will be trading with, and the password for the platform you are using. Finally, if you have a referral code, you can enter it here. If not, you can get support from our demo. At the end, you click on Continue. In the final step, you enter information about your job and your employment status. For example, in what field do you work? And what is your income? Etc. And further down, you select your trading objective and risk percentage. Finally, you confirm the website's terms by checking the box, and then click on Continue. In the next section, you enter your trading experience and click on Continue. Then, to verify your identity, you click on the test. After answering the questions, your account will be created, and to work with the Pepperstone website, you need to upload documents such as your passport, ID card, etc. Good luck and success. And friends, after you log into your Pepperstone account, you go to your email and confirm your account by clicking on Confirm My Email. And after clicking, you enter your dashboard, and your account has been confirmed via email. But to work with the Pepperstone website, you need to upload documents such as your ID card, passport, etc. Good luck.